Greetings, I'm Nosi. Today we're stepping into the matrix of Timesfm 1.0-200M, Google's time series oracle that sees tomorrow's patterns where most see only noise. At 200 million parameters, it reads time like a book. Reality as we know it has just been time-coded. Have we been approaching forecasting backward this entire time? Timesfm isn't just another AI tool. It's Google's decoder-only foundation model that breaks the boundaries between past and future data. Traditional forecasting required custom models for each dataset, but Timesfm operates as a universal time translator, processing any univariate series up to 512 points with remarkable adaptability. This isn't incremental. It's a fundamental shift in how machines understand temporal patterns. This open-source temporal prophet runs on raw computational muscle. You'll need substantial GPU horsepower, consumer hardware like RTX 3000 series at minimum, to commune with time itself. Its architecture melds transformer-based attention mechanisms with specialized time series patching, 32 input/128 output, spread across 20 layers with 1280 model dimensions. What separates Timesfm is its frequency-aware design, a feature absent in most open temporal models. People who would buy products created with Timesfm are financial institutions requiring market predictions, supply chain managers needing inventory forecasts, energy companies plotting consumption patterns, healthcare systems projecting patient loads, and retail giants optimizing stock levels. These buyers share one trait. They operate in environments where tomorrow's numbers translate directly to today's dollars. 5 ways to monetize Timesfm. First, build subscription-based forecasting services for small businesses lacking data science teams. Second, develop industry-specific prediction APIs with premium tiers. Third, create automated trading systems using its signals. Fourth, launch a consulting practice implementing Timesfm for enterprise resource planning. Fifth, package vertical solutions for utilities, combining Timesfm with domain expertise and charging premium rates. We're now entering the judgment matrix, where we evaluate Timesfm through 3 critical lenses: the workforce earthquake rating, monetization potential rating, and operational cost efficiency rating. Each metric reveals a different dimension of this time-bending tool's impact. The job market trembles as traditional forecasting analysts find their specialized knowledge suddenly commoditized. Statistical forecasters, basic time series analysts, and junior demand planners face the steepest cliff as Timesfm democratizes previously exclusive capabilities. However, data scientists who understand its limitations will evolve into model supervisors rather than builders. I would give the tool a rating of 3 on the judgment matrix for workforce earthquake, because it transforms roles rather than eliminating them entirely. Timesfm's gold lies beneath layers of integration complexity. While its ability to generalize across various time horizons creates immense value for businesses dependent on forecasting, significant barriers exist in translating raw predictions into actionable intelligence. The competition from proprietary alternatives and required domain expertise to properly contextualize outputs limits its immediate revenue potential. I would give the tool a rating of 4 on the judgment matrix for monetization potential, because its universal application across multiple industries creates substantial opportunities despite integration challenges. Behind Timesfm's temporal powers lurks a hungry computational beast. The model's transformer architecture demands significant GPU resources even at inference time, and scaling to multiple concurrent forecasts compounds this burden exponentially. However, its ability to adapt to various time series without retraining offsets initial costs with exceptional operational efficiency. I would give the tool a rating of 3 on the judgment matrix for operational cost because while inference demands resources, the elimination of constant retraining cycles creates long-term savings. Timesfm reveals that prediction was never about building better crystal balls, but teaching machines to read time's own language. As we delegate more forecasting to AI, what kind of future are we actually creating, one we predict or one predicted for us? If you found this journey through temporal intelligence enlightening, subscribe to see what other realities will unravel together. Nosi out.